Apparently, you can increase the productivity of your laptop to up to 200% by adding a dual screen to your laptop. Eventually, right here I have a laptop screen extender that was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but of course, this will be my own opinion on this masterpiece. Super easy to bind and connect with your laptop in order for you to easily work on two screens at the same time. And eventually, starting from the appearance of the box, this is a great idea as a gift to somebody that always works on the computer. And if you want him to be productive, or her eventually, you need to give her a present like that, because she or he will be super happy to have a gadget like that handy in order to multitask on a whole different level. The instruction manual will make the operation of this one super easy. And of course, the beauty of it, that this one comes with a travel bag that you can easily take with you on the go and work on the go wherever you are, in the park, in a cafe, by the beach, or wherever you're going to find a table in order to set up. Of course, in the set, you're going to find also the wiring that you need in order to bind the extender with a laptop, eventually featuring USB-C to USB-C, USB-A to eventually USB-C, and HDMI to USB-C as well. And of course, those wiring can be easily placed in a side pocket of the bag itself, just in case you want to take those wires with you on the go. Right now, eventually the main unit, a 14-inch screen that you can easily adjust and set up with your laptop. Eventually you can easily adjust the angle because it has a leg on the side in order to adjust the angle, just in case you want to place it in front of you. And the beauty of it, if you're going to go through settings, you can easily adjust this one horizontal or vertical to have it in front of you as a vertical, or eventually if you're binding it with a laptop, to set it up horizontal, which eventually is very convenient having a laptop next to you. And of course, you can easily do so by extending it and then placing it on the screen. And of course, it has some holders that will keep the screen neat on it. And right now, this baby is ready to go. Eventually, the only thing I'm gonna need right now is the wire in order to bind in between those. So basically, the USB-C to USB-C will work perfectly in order for me to easily go around, bind and connect. And check this out, in a matter of seconds, both of the screen will start working. Now eventually, wherever I go, I'm gonna be able to multitask on a whole different level, because I'm gonna use two displays at the same time. Let's say on the right side, I'm gonna be able to go through my social media. On the other side, I can easily browse on Amazon, watch news, or eventually the stock market, or play a game on one side, and on the other side, eventually multitask with something else. And as I mentioned to you earlier, let me show you that. I'm gonna be able to easily use the second monitor, horizontal or vertical, as I told you, just in case. I'm gonna be able to easily change the resolution. I'm gonna be able to easily switch the right side eventually to a vertical screen. Right now, this one is already vertical, and right here I have it horizontal, which makes it very convenient if the display is not attached to the laptop itself. As for the possibilities of working with a dual display on the go, in your office, in your household, eventually the possibilities are endless, because right now you increase your productivity to up to 200%. And of course, this one is super easy to disassemble, to take with you wherever you go, because as mentioned to you earlier, it has a bag that you can easily place everything that this one has to deliver in a bag and take it with you wherever you go. And also the wiring can be easily placed in the front pocket. An absolutely amazing laptop display extender that is definitely a recommendation from me. My name is Andre, and I absolutely approve this message.